Are you tired of guessing what to eat for weight loss? Struggling to find meals that are both effective and satisfying? Imagine having a plan that not only helps you lose weight, but also fits your lifestyle and tastes. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate meal plan for weight loss, backed by science and tailored for real results. Stick around to discover how to structure your meals, avoid common pitfalls, and make weight loss not just achievable, but sustainable. Why is meal planning essential for losing weight? Meal planning isn't just about deciding what to eat. It's a powerful tool that helps control calorie intake, avoid unhealthy snacking, and balance nutrients. Studies show that people who plan meals are more likely to achieve and maintain a healthy weight, eliminates decision fatigue during busy days, prevents impulse eating and unhealthy takeout, ensures you're meeting your nutritional needs. Now that you know why meal planning is critical, let's talk about how to build a weight loss-friendly meal plan that works for you. How many calories should you aim for in a day? Weight loss happens when you're in a calorie deficit. Calculate your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, and subtract 500 to 750 calories to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. If your TDEE is 2,000 calories, aim for 1,250 to 1,500 calories for weight loss. Should you go high protein, low carb, or something else? Protein keeps you full and helps preserve muscle. Include lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu. Carbohydrates. Choose complex carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole grains for sustained energy. Fats. Don't fear fats. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for satiety and hormone regulation. Wondering how to fit these macronutrients into a daily plan? Let's break it down meal by meal. Should you eat 3 meals a day or 6 smaller ones? This depends on your schedule and hunger patterns. Studies suggest that consistency in meal timing is more important than frequency. Stick to 3 balanced meals or 3 meals with 2 healthy snacks. Can drinking more water help with weight loss? Staying hydrated reduces hunger and supports metabolism. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Start your meals with a glass of water to reduce calorie intake. What does a day of healthy eating look like? Breakfast. High protein option. Scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. Add a small piece of fruit like a banana or an apple. Snack. Greek yogurt with a handful of almonds or a hard-boiled egg. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and olive oil dressing. Add a small portion of quinoa or sweet potato for carbs. Snack. Carrot sticks with hummus or a small smoothie with spinach, berries, and protein powder. Dinner. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and a serving of brown rice or cauliflower rice. Meal prep these in advance to save time and stick to your plan. What could sabotage your weight loss efforts even with meal planning? Overestimating portion sizes. Use measuring tools or a food scale. Ignoring hidden calories in dressing, sauces, or beverages. Failing to plan for busy days. Keep healthy snacks on hand. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to success. But how do you keep the momentum going? Now that you're equipped with all the tools to create your weight loss meal plan, it's time to take action. Start small, plan one day's meals, and gradually build up to a week.
Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.